Ever wondered how startups manage their legal contracts and agreements? It's a daunting task, isn't it? But it's a necessary and critical part of launching and maintaining a successful business. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of legal contracts for startups. Imagine your startup as a ship, setting sail into the vast sea of the business world. The legal contracts and agreements you have in place are your map, compass, and safety gear. They guide you, keep you on course, and protect you from potential storms. And just like a ship has different types of safety gear for different situations, startups need different types of legal contracts. The first kind is a founder's agreement. This is the agreement between the founders of the startup. It outlines each founder's roles, equity ownership, and decision-making powers. It's like the ship's rulebook, detailing who does what, who owns what, and who has the power to steer the ship. Next is the non-disclosure agreement, or NDA. This is a contract where a party agrees to keep certain information confidential. It's like a lockbox where you can safely store your ship's treasure map away from prying eyes. Then, there's the intellectual property, or IP, agreement. This contract determines who owns the IP created by the startup. It's like the flag on your ship, claiming ownership of your creations. Last but not least is the employment agreement. This contract outlines the terms and conditions of employment. It's like the contract between the ship's captain and the crew, detailing what is expected of them and what they receive in return. All these contracts are integral to keeping your startup ship sailing smoothly. They offer protection, clarity, and a framework for operations, all of which are essential for a startup to thrive in the competitive business sea. To recap, we've covered the importance and types of legal contracts for startups. We started with the founder's agreement, your startup's rulebook. We then moved on to the non-disclosure agreement, your treasure map lockbox. Next, we discussed the intellectual property agreement, your flag of ownership. And finally, we ended with the employment agreement, the contract between the captain and crew. Remember, navigating the business world is no easy task. And just like a ship on the sea, you need the right tools and equipment to make the journey. So ensure your startup is well equipped with the right legal contracts. That's all for today. Don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.